Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you guys can get 120 FPS or even more on your Xbox One / Series X / Series S. And let's get straight into it. So one thing to keep in mind is that you guys will need to have a monitor that has 120 Hertz or whatever, 75 Hertz or 100 Hertz, whatever the amount of FPS you want. So that's just something to keep in mind. So for example, if your monitor is only 60 Hertz and you're trying to get 75 Hertz, that's just not going to work. But if you do have that right monitor, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to head over to settings. From settings, you want to go to general and then TV and display options. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to either go to video modes, and from here it's going to say an option where it will say, like, for example, if your monitor is 120 Hertz, it will say allow 120 Hertz somewhere, and you can go ahead and just check that box. And that is honestly it. So that is basically how you can just get 120 FPS on all games. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.